Hey there. If you're looking for an amazing free photo editor, and you don't want to purchase expensive software like Photoshop, you have many choices. Me, Mr. Robo. Today, I will show you the top 5 photo editing software that you can use for free on your computer. Each of these programs can perform the basic tasks of enhancing your photos to make them look amazing, and some of these include advanced features similar to Photoshop that should satisfy your image creating and editing needs. So let's start. Number 5. Photoscape X. Photoscape has tons of features to enhance your photo. Colors and filters, fluently acts, and a lot of amazing tools to transform your image. You can also create animated GIFs, collage and several batch options for work in multiple images. Photoscape X also offers us some guidelines in tutorial form. You can create amazing batches, GIFs format and use multiple images to combine in sequence you want. So this is very easy to use. You can download Photoscape X from link given in description. Number 4. Adobe Photo Express. Okay, so if you want to edit your photo on professional level, then Adobe Photo Express is best platform for you. It is available for App Store, Play Store, and Windows. Its user interface is very simple and easy to use. It provides plenty of filters, borders and outlaws, all according to your need. Number 3. Krita. Krita is software for digital painting or editing animated photos. We can make any type of animated photo using this software. This is the software used by the creators to create amazing cartoon characters. Number 2. Pixlr. Pixlr is one of the best photo editing software. It provides us online and offline facilities. We can perform many amazing tasks using these variants of Pixlr. It provides simple user interface. Number 1. Fotor. It is a software that provides us many amazing features. We can create different Facebook covers using this software. All you need is here in this software and totally free. So what are you waiting for? All the links are available in description. Please subscribe the channel for more info about techs.